I normally peel my skin, as you could see, and this is not pretty. Not pretty at all, ladies. So if we're trying to, you know, step our game up, become fabulous, our nails need to at least be decent. Hello ladies and welcome back to my channel. Please excuse my voice. I am still trying to get over a cold, so that's why I sound different. But I wanted to put together this video and show you a self-care basket that I created for myself. This basket is also great to give to a woman in your life who, just might need some of these items or just to uplift her day. But I think this is a fairly inexpensive and great idea to put together for yourself. So I'm going to go through and just show you some of the things I got. Majority of these items I end up purchasing from the Dollar Tree, and other items I just purchase elsewhere. So let's get started. Okay, so as you can see, one of the first items that I have here are these Kiss press-on nails. There we go. So I ended up getting these. I think they were like $4 from CVS or Walgreens, and I decided to get them in the French manicure. And these are really good because, when you don't have time to do your nails, go to the salon, get your nails done, or if you're like me and can't paint your nails because they look very sloppy, it's nice to just have these, on. It gives you that nice, fresh, manicured look. And speaking of not being able to paint my nails, I did purchase these two colors here. These were from Walmart. I believe they were either $1 or $1.99, something like that. And they're nice colors for the holiday season. As you see, this is Spice, and this one's called Wine Knot. Those are really pretty colors. The reason why I purchased a self-care kit for myself is, there's just like little things that as women we need to put in our bag, keep in our purse, or just have on hand. And I noticed a lot of these items I either didn't have or ran out of, and I just wanted to, put together a little self-care basket for myself. I told you before I got sick, so I decided to get some of these antibacterial wipes. You get 3 packs. And this is a perfect size to just keep in my purse, along with hand sanitizer. I wanted to try this. It's called a shower steamer, which honestly, I think it's just still a bath bomb, but just smaller size. So this was from the Dollar Tree as well. Next, I wanted to try these facial wipes here. There are days where I don't wear makeup. These face wipes would be a good alternative to those moments where, I fall asleep on the couch and I'm just too tired to wash my face. I can just at least wipe off the grime from that day. Next is some baby cat powder. We got to keep ourselves fresh down there, ladies, and also under the boob area, especially if you have big boobs. If you have big boobs, you know exactly what I'm talking about. I wanted to try this. It's a sleeping mask. I am trying to get back into my skincare routine and start finding a lot of different skincare products that I absolutely love and want to, use on my skin as part of my routine. A little travel size Dove deodorant. I am in love with this scent. I've tried this scent a couple years ago and, it was okay, but I was in love with my baby powder. But now I'm really feeling that cucumber. Travel Floss and Picks. I really like how this comes in a case. So they're not just floating around in my makeup bag getting dirty and, getting like bacteria and stuff on it. So I believe this came from the Dollar Tree as well. Okay, I realize I really need to start taking care of my hands better. I'm a nail biter, and not only that, because I wash dishes and my skin is immersed in water, I normally peel my skin, as you could see, and this is not pretty. Not pretty at all, ladies. So if we're trying to, step our game up, become fabulous, our nails need to at least be decent, and my nails are not. So I decided to try this cuticle oil and a nail strengthener and see how that goes. and that came from the Dollar Tree, as well as this here. This is Pure Silk Shave Cream. You know, most of the time I just use my body wash to shave my legs, but hey, let's step it up. I thought this was really cute. It's a microfiber hair wrap. I did see some at the 99-cent only store, and it had like a little fake diamond. So you can change that out if you want, or just buy that one. But it was $2. This one was from the Dollar Tree for $1. I love putting on a clay mask. That's like one of my favorite like beauty regimens that I do for myself weekly, sometimes twice a week. And I just thought, you know, why not make it a little bit more luxurious by using this little spatula. I could just put a dab on here and spread it across my face, and it'll kind of feel like a little mini facial. Yeah, so I ended up getting this cream. This time I was like, you know, let me just try it. This one I did pick up from the 99-cent only store, and I believe this was $1 as well. I ended up getting this soak off nail caps. It helps remove glitter, gel nails, artificial nails. When I did have my nails fairly long this summer, I got the gel put on my nails, which made my nails very hard and sturdy. I loved it. However, it was extremely difficult taking the nail polish off when it started to grow. So I'm looking at this now, and I'm kind of like, I really didn't need this. I kind of feel like this was a wasted purchase after I got home, because you soak a cotton ball in the acetone nail polish remover, and then you put the cotton ball in here, and then you just put your finger in there. And it's kind of like, well, I could have just done that without this, just soaked it in the acetone. But hey, just a little, you know, a little touch to add that luxurious feeling of pampering yourself. And then this is the last thing I end up getting. It was second to last, is this eye mask. You can, I believe you can heat this up or put it in the fridge. So let's see here. It says to cool, place in the refrigerator for no more than 60 minutes or freeze for no more than 10 minutes. Apply to the area for no more than 15 minutes at a time with a 15-minute break. Okay, so yeah, so this is the one you're not supposed to heat this one up. So don't heat it up. It's just a cooling mask. And that came from the Dollar Tree as well for $1. And then last, I ended up picking up this basket here. This is part of their fall collection. Depending on when you watch this video, it may not be available in this color anymore, but they also had it in orange, and this is like a burnt rust color. Some of the other items I probably would have included in here would have been maybe like a book, some perfume, like a travel size perfume I can just pop in my purse, some mints, because we always need mints or gum. Mints are actually better in most situations to pop a mint in your mouth than to sit there and chew gum. And I can't think of anything else on the top of my head, but please tell me, what would you include in your self-care basket? Let me know. What are some of the items? Do you like the items I have? And this basket was fairly inexpensive. I think total with the cost of the nails and everything, I probably spent no more than $20 for this whole entire kit. Maybe $25 with the tax and everything, but I think it was probably no more than $20 for everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will catch you ladies on the next video. Have a lovely day, and remember ladies, let's be fabulous. Bye.